Ituloy tayong rod apo, daytoy tungtungan tayo. Daytoy lata apo iti La Union agkaysa talks and thoughts from the Capitol. Kat iti maikadwa nga rod nga paset iti tungtungan tayo apo daytoy met kat maipanggap DJ 1590 Energy Corporation may samot kadagiti kadadakkelan nga issues in the past, but Governor Mario Eduardo C. Ortega has already made an effort tapno to clarify and maited no inyaman dagiti kidkidawan apo dagiti umilimot iti bawang. So umuna launay Gov, istoryaanda kami daytoy na isayangkat nga awarding iti partial from the shares iti LGU bawang.
Well, actually, the Vice Governor akon, di naaramid data sale na. When they asked the Sangguniang Panlalawigan for the authority to negotiate and sale, there is no reason for me to deny it. Because that was the very mandate why we levied the property to recover the real estate delinquency of 1590 ED. So, we went to court and everything went well to our favor. Nati kaya mo pa nga istorya.
Gov, and then with before the year ended iti daytoy December garod kat naited datoy partial share, no less than the mayor ni Mayora Bongli received daytoy kantidad kastamat dagiti barangay chairpersons iti daytoy duwa nga barangay Bukayab ken barangay hindi may san Payokpok. Yan. What was the desire Gov nga talaga nga sakbay nga malpas titawan kat maited daytoy nga kandidad kadakwada?
Well, actually, it depends on the availability of our funds also. Amom gamin datoy naaramid datoy 1590. It is a very sad note that they did not adhere to the law or the 7160 as far as properties that are levied and there is more than one entity that will benefit to recover the real estate property, which is the two barangays, Bukayab ken Payokpok, ken datoy town of Bawang and the province of La Union. You see, no adda nga tao nga nangirugi, no makaammo di rugi na, ti datan na yung problema, ay probably with modesty, siyak nga ta di may san. The only other person that I know is probably Kathy, but it is more on the financial side tiya muna. Not unlike me, that I know the very start, how it went through, how we came out with the levy, and how we made the sale the first time around. Because I was the one who oversee or DJ pinakaaramid na gito'y process to sell the property of 1590 before. Ngayon, as it transpired, good amin DJ naramid me. Ngayon, just like the PRDP, you need the national agency to put their mark that the process or the transaction made in the local is good, done at par on the table and everything. In short, pasado. So, the paperwork sen at the Ijayan COA National. But it was taking too long already. Kahit kung na dato'y proponent nga nangabak, he proposed a deal with the province, of course, with the consent of Bawang and the two barangays. Makita yun nata on record amin na tata at the resolution nata nga naiyawat iti records tayo di Sangguniang Panlalawigan. Nga daton na'y ilako tayon. So, inlako min. Na-processin. Ngayon, while waiting, kung na dati proponent, mabalin nga pagandaran min, we will operate it already. Siya, nangaba na nga ro din. Di bayad na nga. Dapat di bangko, naka-escrow. So, nga apay nga saan nga, ekonami tano, hamo nga pagandaran di dyan na, ag-deteriorate di makina. You will be spending hundreds of millions just to restart it. Iso nga, very, dati niya na ganan, practical di jay proposal. So, we still need to get the consent of our partners in this, which is the 2 barangays and the municipality, which we got. So, the proposal that was, they operate it, we are paid monthly, nga kasla purchase lease. Nga, di maalami, i-divide ko accordingly to the local government code, di apag siya. So that was what was going on. After a few months, abang pailat na yung orayam me from the COA National. So, the proponent again came to us and proposed something. He said, can we not scrap already the sale and go to a new arrangement which was rent or lease of the property? Konami mo, di kami deal mi din muna, di impaunad nga kwarkwartan, nga pinagdidivide na niya. No matuloy di sale nga rumuar, they take it out from the principal. Ngam, di kadang natuloy yan. So, kasano nga di, sublime, nagastumi pa yan. Haan ko na dan. Goodwill money min data. Kasi kami mga routine nang i-propose, nga i-resign tayo. But in the understanding that we will enter into an agreement nga kasyanay. So again, even for us to enter into that lease agreement, we took again the consent of Bawang and the 2 barangays. So if you would notice, consent of Bawang and the 2 barangays. So what would that imply in terms of legality? They have a legal entity that you are dealing with. That's the reason why you need their consent. No, sana ka probinsya, manso ka manson. So that was the way. So, nag-transpire, napanan di lease agreement. For how many years? In fact, before I left the province, the end of 2015, nag-appeal na idin, nga i-renew me for another 3 years. Which went through the proper procedure to the sanggunian, etc., etc. Granted. So, na-extend the lease agreement, the original, na-extend na tanti aging na 2018. So, okay di jay, na consummate and everything. The 2018, if I am not mistaken, they again renewed that for another 3 years. Which is supposed to be umabot to 2022. However, about 2019, if I'm not mistaken, I'm not really that sure. The time frame na was between 2019 to 2020. Nga DJ sale was made. It's on record. You can find out. Ano makita yung gusto nga record na. Now, when the sale was made, siguro dimawat na garo ti pamalubos iti authority na di governor to negotiate and sell. Again, that is under the local government code nga isuda, iti talaga nga mga ramid. The role mi iti sanggunihan is to give the authority for the sale. Negotiate and sale. But what does that mean? It means that the obligation now of the person given that authority will go back to us to tell this is what we agreed on and everything. Kasi lang masapul nga ma-ratify. I cannot remember if that was ever done. Okay? So anyway, dumiretso tayo tuman ijay faktoren nga naaramid jay sailan. And then, tithinking ko matakit. Then nagakwadan. There are even talks nga, mga kastati pinakailako na, kastoy lang, kasyan. So it's a matter of figure. So you do not know which is right or wrong. But anyway, we depend on not the hearsay, but what is on paper. But the question is, it's not even the amount of sale, but it is where did the proceeds go? Umangal ti bawangan, amang mo diya pagming ko na. So as with the 2 barangays, because apay nga ma-feel na, because every month idi, adda maalada nga share na. But when the sale was made, I don't even know if they were able to get their nod of the sale, just like as I did before when I oversaw the sale process. Diyan muna, no inaramid da. But that is not the concern of the Sangguniang. That is the concern of the executive. DJ Sailda, naaramid DJ Sailda. Then here comes an opinion from the local finance board sa Dajanay nga di ka nagbaling nga political issue. Ganun. Because it was brought up by the DJ Gobernador Ide nga in one of the occasions ti Eskwelahan, Tabawang, in Butaktak nan nga naited da kanon digijay share da iti bawang munisipyo kan dagitoy barangay. Umangal ni Martino na tamo ng mga awan na ala na. Di kan kasta tiroran nan on di tatao nga isunat nang ngalngalain. Even with the two barangays. Ngam awamat on record tinay turn over wano nayawawat. So umang-angal dan. So it became a political issue actually during the last election. Now, I think that we pinakay recognize the right of Bawang and the two barangays concerned. This is a vindication that their point of view or their position, they are on the right. Iso nga yung pasais cooking ka. Whenever we have something legal to do, we have to get the consent of Bawang and the two. What does that imply? Legally, they are part of it. And if you look at it, kastoy dijay, no kumadato di Bawang power plant, dinaalami nga elebi, ilakomi. The proceeds ditoy, magudwa-gudwa according to the percentage in the local government code, ti partition na of the real estate tax nga delinquency. Okay? So, in lakomi, tanong magudwa-gudwa mi. 40%, 25%, 35% iti wati probinsya. But who has the right to sell it? It is the province. So, I think a question was thrown to the local finance, di tunay, and they came out with an opinion of which I did not really see. But what it stated was, nga ibagbagada, nga it is the province who has the right to receive the money. But that is not the question. The question is Bawang and the two barangays entitled to a share out of the sale or proceeds from the sale of the province? Alang ang mga sakti ng secure DJ sale na, sikati mga ala di kwarta. Hana, it goes to the province and it is the duty of the province to give the share of both. Barangay kan nagitoy apo ang munisipyo.
And there was no record at all. Nga from the proceeds of the sales, awan iti na
i-apportion. Instead of arguing this and that. Nyati depes kumangay nga diyan nay. Tato man gentleman ni apay ti konam no ipadalak di kwarta nga kasi ang kantidad. Awan ti record mo. Even bangko wano jay records ti treasury dito. Kasatanta, di jay kuma-checking nga inyawat mi, nga kasla partial nga inted mi. It is on record. Nakadetalya amin di dyan na eh. You go down to the treasury, to the accounting, nakakway dyan. So, garo nga dapat documentation na kada amin. Now, I do not really feel nga by aklatan because it did the infringement of the law or diha nga nasurot di jay lintag was not in my watch. However, I still feel that it is not right for Bawang and the two barangays not to receive what is really theirs. Because knowing how it started and how it finished, as a person, I cannot take it. And I think the sentiment, I am sharing it with the other department heads, the board members, the vice governor, we all feel the same. So what do we do now? The proceeds of the sale na uraman manong awanan. No, where did they ginastudan? I don't really know. It's not on my watch. So, anya garot ti aramidem if you don't feel right. So I tried to ask dito yung local financial advisors together with ni Andre niya itikwata kastoy ko nada. Can we make it legal nga kastoy US? But then we also do not have the money anymore. So dati tatan irimremedyo kon dagiti scarce nga or no dati ko maguyod-guyod ko nga budget from all the others isuti uno me. But I told ni Apo Mayor Bongli ken dagiti representative ti Sanggunianda nga anusan nyo ko na. Tadaton na yakit as much as I would want to give it to you as a whole, I'll be frank with you, I do not have the money. Dato'y money nga nato yung awak mi kada kayo, present nga kwarta. Hanga di proceeds of the sale. But then, it's still the obligation of the province. Now, it just so happened that I'm the one running it right now, and I do not feel right, so I want to make it right. For the people of Bawang.
Sir, was it also really an effort nga maitud di partial da sakbay nga malpas iti tawon 2025 or tumayming lang?
Well, umuna uray ko nagarud ka, nagguyod-guyod kami ti pondo. So where can you see when you have extra funds? It's at the end of the year. So di makita mi nga adan, so we now scheduled it just to let them feel and let people know that we know that they were wrong and we are now trying to make it right.
Adama nga rod iti kasla na pagnunumuan nga timeline again no kasla kuman staggered payment adati kasdi kadi nga.
Well, it's going to be really staggered, but I told them to be frank with you, I cannot tell you when is the next because I will try to see how we can do it. So there are a lot of ways which I cannot be talking to you about now because it sometimes entails legal impediments kada amin that we will have to sort it out before it becomes a reality. Nga natin mausar mi nga may bayad mi nga awan ti question na without doubt nga mabalim mi nga ibayad di king kwada.
Yes, sir. Are we also privy no inya ti pakausaran na daytoy iti LGU? Ano, do we also have a hand on that?
You know, the real estate tax, no anya di ma-derive mo ijay, at the percentages nan, and this is in law. Nga anya ti percentage sa ti real estate nga mausar mo for special education fund, at the DJ others nga area, but there are percentages of it. Now, when you turn it over to the local government code, this is now an income from a tax delinquent of real estate. So they should treat it that way. They should know. And I am sure they know how to do it.
So maida sigmat lang ijay kanya da according to DJ process no real estate delinquency. So ni SEF.
In some way, yes.
Iso nga
haan nga confined unay ijayen. Because dati garud nga pundok guy-guy lang yan. So they are probably actually a little bit freer. Dati garudan ket agirim remedyo tayong tatno may danon tayo lang just share iti bawang that they can be helped. And niya mo di kaya nga development ang pakigastuan da. So, DJ ti intricate na dating arrangement mi. Kita dito, kita damot ijay. We sit down, we talk each other. Okay daw to, okay DJ. So, then let's go. But one thing is good, the agreement mi. We are now recognizing things that were not done properly. We are now trying to right it. And the bawang and the barangays are well aware of it, that we are exerting all the effort so that they will still get something out of the proceeds or the sale of the bawang power plant.
Well, sir. Kan more than the kantidad, this is also a reassurance of the kumbaga napintas nga relationship gamin di productive and fruitful relationship iti provincial government kas enabler nga rod dagitoy LGUs tayo.
Amo no Duma, the relationship of the province and all the municipalities, even the barangays, it's the institution na da. But what is wrong is the person running the institution. That is where they have a bad relation or a good relation. It's not actually the munisipyo and the Capitolio or the barangay hall. But it is the person running those. Ang din, dati pinasugno, di kastay. Lagi ni mga kanto lang ang mayor, da sakto mo kastay. So, you are not talking of the institution, but you are talking of the personalities running the institutions. No, siyak lang ang may isa, I did not even have to do this for us to have a good relation. Because I have a good relation with the mayor, the sanggunihan and all that. Tamo na mga umiruling ko. I'm trying to exert a lot of effort to address DJ nga problema nga nagbunga nga hang kumot apo nga basol. But again, DJ remedyo na is what we are focusing on.
Gov, kun urepay no narikot, iti panagsolbar, dagito yung problema talaga nga you really make an effort, exhaust everything, exhaust all means stop no masolbaran garo dagito yung parikot niya, Gov.
Amom no daduma, it is not just fixing something. Sometimes you cannot fix everything. You do not have the answer of everything. But you have to show the sincerity that you are with them, that you are true, nga you are working for them. I think that is the more essential part of it.
Kasaraan tayo nga ron, Apo, dahito yung talk show tayo. Mensahem latan, Apo, Gov, kadagiti umili iti bawang, nang nangron na dagiti bumarangay, Apo, nga ron tibo, kayab ken payok po.
Well, agpasensya kay basit, nood daman natin naglabsingan iti provincial government iti, but you can be assured that we are doing what we can, and hopefully we will be able to fulfill what is due, but in due time. Nga available datoy, kasyanay, then we will do that. But this is on top of the regular help that we also extend to all the towns. On top of this. Utang mi karod di jay kuma. Ang din. Haang lang ka dati, dati jay pakantayo, dati jay pagmo, kastoy. To all the towns. However, this one, ada utang ko. So nga, dati aki hanga jay pinagkukuduan tayo nga fair and square. Dati utang ko, may bayadan.
Okay. Katagyan kami kadlaunay, Apo Gov, kandayta Apo iti mangipakita, attorney, iti bunga, iti panagkaykaysa, iti panunot, iti puso, kan syempre iti intention tayo, Apo, awan mat sabali no dikat iti tulungan, nang nangruna, Apo, dag iti kakailyan tayo nga agsapsapol, iti kangrunaan nga tulong, manipod iti gobyerno. Katagyaman kami nga dunay, Apo, sapay kumata, napintas, iti na adaw yu, manipod iti ito yung umuna nga episode tayo, Apo, ito'y manan, iti talk show, iti Provincial Government of La Union, Talks and Thoughts from the Capital, La Union, agkaysa.